Good morning, everyone. My name is Redam Balik, and you are watching Balik Robotics. So, I welcome you all in our new video about R.A.G or Retrieval Augmented Generation. As the name states, that it consists of two parts: retrieval and generation. That we have to retrieve something and we have to generate something. Okay, so it's like first of all we go to the definition. Retrieval augmented generation RAG is a method in natural language processing or NLP that combine retrieval based and generation based approach to improve the quality and relevance of generated text. This definition is only that which I already tell, that we have to retrieve something and generate something. But what we have to retrieve and what we have to generate, we will see in this video. So, without wasting much time, let's go and find out what is RAG. Okay, so this is a normal LLM without RAG, and here I have taken GPT as an LLM. Okay, so this is a user, me or you. Okay, so user give a prompt to GPT. It's like, who won Indian election 2024, and GPT give the answer. So this is how LLM works, and you all have done it and used GPT in your exams or other solved other query using GPT. So you all are comfortable with these. But what is the problem with normal LLM or GPT? Okay, so in normal LLM, what we do is like, we user give a prompt to LLM, then LLM generate it with its knowledge, and is like give the answer. It's like, here my question was, who won Indian election 2024, and GPT said that election is not yet finalized, but Indian election result has been came out in like approx 1 month earlier. So it does not have the current data. First point. Second problem is like, I gave it a prompt, tell me about Cradle OCR Limited Company. So my GPT didn't know what is Cradle, but it know what is OCR. So it explained what is OCR and all like that, because it does not know that is it there any Cradle OCR company, or is like there can be many Cradle OCR company in the world, but which one we are talking about. So our question which generate here is, it only know about the data on which it is trained or fine tuned, and the second is, it don't have the latest data. It's like data till the current date is like, and it is not possible also, is like, if it's today 2 July and I fine tuned the data and uploaded it, after 5 minutes some new news will come and I have to literally again fine tune it and deploy it. So what is the solution of this? The solution of this is RAG. And in RAG, what we say is like, this is our LLM, and we kick it as and say that, go and study. It's like, this is the books. So our LLM go to the books and then study that. Okay, so I have to study these things. Like, it can be a PDF, documents, or any image file or anything, any file which is stored in a vector space. So first of all, what is vector space? Vector space is a database like SQL. Just in SQL we have a structured database, but vector space have both structured and unstructured data in the form of arrays. So here our images, PDF or document are stored in vector data space. So our LLM go and study our vector spaces or vector database and then give the answer accordingly. To clarify it, it's like, this is LLM without RAG. It's like, prompt, go to LLM and it give output. It is LLM with RAG. Prompt, go to LLM go to vector space. Oh, okay. So this is what it was asking, and then go give the output. And to visualize it more clearly, is like, this is the user. It give the prompt to queue and answer system. It take the data from the external database store and provide it to LLM. User to system. System take the data from vector space or vector store and give it to LLM. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Yeah. So here is the whole structure. It's like, there is a client. It first question it, the framework, that this is my question. Then the question goes to semantic search in vector data space, and every content which is mapping with the question goes to the LLM. Like then LLM have the prompt and the knowledge of the vector database. Then it generate the answers using this vector data space data and post process it and give it to framework. Then framework give the response. Okay, so what here are retrieving and generation. Okay, so here our, our framework retrieve the data from the vector data space database. This is called retrieving the data. Okay, and generation is process of LLM. Of course, everyone knows. So here we retrieve the data from the database and give it to LLM. Then LLM generate the responses accordingly. So this is all about R.A.G. And now we go through a definition again. Retrieval Augmented Generation (R.A.G.) is a method in natural language processing or NLP that combines retrieval based means vector data database giving the data to framework retrieving data from vector data space, framework retrieving data from vector database. Okay, and generation based, LLM generating the answer of the queries, LLM generating the answer of the queries. Okay, so retrieving is from vector data space, generation is by LLM. So these are two part of the R.A.G. approach to improve the quality and relevance of generated text. Okay, so quality and relevance is like, now if that document contain the knowledge of the like previous second, then our LLM will be knowing all about last previous second data. Okay, so now our LLM have the data about which context we are speaking about and which time we are speaking about. So this help us our LLM to gather more information and and become more useful. So this is all about the R.A.G. Okay, you can use it to make a model which will take the PDF or book file, and then you can ask about any question about that subject which book you have provided. So like this, there are many uses of R.A.G. So that's all about R.A.G. and I hope that you now gain the understanding of R.A.G. very well. So I will meet you in next video. Until then, bye bye.